What's up, beautiful people? Another day, another study. We know that excess adiposity is a leading risk factor for cardiometabolic diseases, and the burden of people who are overweight or obese is increasing globally. A 5% weight loss, and when people talk about clinically meaningful weight loss, 5% is usually the marker to achieve. We know that this significantly can impact metabolic health, improving markers like blood glucose, blood sugars, improving people's quality of life. However, the sustainability of weight loss varies greatly in studies between 20% and 56%. So we know that means a lot of people are not able to sustain weight loss after the initial intervention that caused them to lose weight. Weight cycling, which is bouts of weight loss and then weight regain, is estimated to occur in 27 to 50% of people who try to lose weight. And two recent meta-analyses indicate that weight cycling increases the risk of hypertension, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and all-cause mortality. This study was examining longitudinally, so following people over time, of four weight trajectories: weight stable, weight gainer, weight loser, and weight cycler. And at the beginning, the median BMI was around 27.6. There was about 83,000 participants. In the fully adjusted model, those who weight cycled compared to weight stable had an increased risk of heart failure, 54%, sleep apnea by 30%, a 28% increase in MASS LD, which is the renaming of fatty liver, and a 23% increased risk of diabetes. And of course, the weight gainer group also saw an increased risk of several cardiometabolic conditions. And baseline BMIs were similar, as I just mentioned, between the weight trajectory group. So the impact of weight cycling may not be driven entirely by high body mass. Potential mechanisms, we really don't know. We have recently seen that there may be an obesogenic memory in immune cells, and this persists after weight loss. So these cycles of weight gain and weight loss may be associated with abnormal inflammation or dysfunctions in metabolic signaling. It's also possible that the weight cycling favors a progressively unfavorable ratio of lean mass to fat mass, meaning when people are gaining weight, they're primarily gaining more fat mass, while the lean mass may be the same or decreasing. Limitations, there are several. I listed them down below, but this is really important to look at people's trajectories. And people who are weight cycling or going through cycles where they lose weight, gaining weight, it may be beneficial for these people to be on a weight loss medication long term for improvements in cardiometabolic health. Not everyone is the same. Not everyone needs to be on medication afterwards. Some people do.